Here are the top 5 most expensive helicopters in the U.S. military. These helicopters cost literally more than some entire country's defense budgets. And first is literally named King. 5. UH-60 Blackhawk, about $21 million each. The backbone of U.S. Army transport, insanely reliable and battle-proven. 4. AH-1Z Viper, around $31 million. A pure attack helicopter with insane agility and modern sensors. 3. CH-53E Super Stallion, nearly $40 million. This thing lifts tanks, literally one of the strongest helicopters ever built. 2. MV-22 Osprey, a shocking $80 million. Half helicopter, half plane, all chaos. Crazy speed and massive range. 1. CH-53K King Stallion, over $100 million per unit. The most expensive helicopter ever put in service. It lifts 36,000 pounds, almost double the previous generation. If you want a top 5 fastest jets next, tell me in the comments.